Guys, look at the longest hole in Roblox right here. It is so crazy. Look at this right now. We have a lot of pagans, and also we have so many people building. This is a mess, you guys. Look how much, and this is so crazy. Look, that guy just got flung. Look how many people is building. This is crazy. They took almost everything. Like, not gonna lie. So if you hit the fall button, watch this. So, and then once you go back down, see the block falls, and then you go flung. So pretty crazy. So look at all this mess. This is crazy. So everybody's making a mess, as you guys can see, a hot mess. Yeah, look. So, bro, what the heck? The blocks are freaking falling. So look at this. Look at this, you guys. So when you go down, I don't think you can flung. Yeah, you have to go like that. I don't think I'm not on the fall. So look at this, bro, they're making a big mess. So look at this. It looks like raining tacos right here. I don't know what the heck they are doing, but look at this, you guys. This is so insane. Like, look at this. Look at this. Why is blocks flying down? This is crazy. Alright, so I think they're building up there and just like, Alright, bro. Okay, so once you like let me see. So once you do this, and then you fall and yeah, people are knocking blocks down here, and this is so crazy, you guys. Look at this, bro. What is y'all doing? Alright, what if I try to do that? Let me see. Yup, you could do that. That's pretty cool. Look, you could do it. Alright. So see, I'm knocking blocks down. See, once you like, you can knock blocks down. Pretty cool. Yo, look at this, bro. Y'all made a big mess. It looks like you're raining tacos right now. Oh, I think you have to do is see, you fall and then you go like that. This is so crazy, you guys. So I'm pretty sure everybody's watching me from down there. But we're gonna put blocks up there and make it fall. So here we go. So I forget how to do this. Alright. I'll put a block up there, and see, these blocks freaking fall. And this is so crazy, you guys. So once you go back up there, look, all the blocks fall down. This is so crazy, guys. So yeah, so stay watch part 2 and part 3 the next day. So watch part 2 and part 3 the next day. So stay tuned and watch part 2 and part 3 tomorrow. So make sure you watch that. Stay tuned.